Okay, so let's move on to module 4 of advanced concrete technology, that is ferrocement. Syllabus include materials, techniques of manufacture, properties and application, then advantages. Now ferrocement. What is ferrocement? Ferrocement is a type of reinforced concrete. It, it's a composite material which consists of cement, sand, mortar, reinforced with closely spaced layers of continuous wire meshes. And these wire meshes may be of either metallic or of suitable materials. The diameter of this wire mesh ranges about 0.5 to 1 mm diameter, and the cement mortar is of cement sand ratio of 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3 with water cement ratio of 0.4 to 0.45. Then these ferrocement elements are usually of the order of 2 to 3 centimeter in thickness with 2 to 3 mm external cover to the reinforcement. And the steel content varies between about 300 kg to 500 kg per cubic meter of mortar. Now history. One of the first applications of this ferrocement was a model of a boat which was built by Lambert in France in 1856. Until 1942, there was a very little activity of ferrocement, and in 1942, a scientist, that is Nervi, began a series of experiments, and he found that cement mortar with layers of this mesh produced a material which is capable of resisting high impact load. So after that, this ferrocement came into use in common. So this is the typical cross section of a ferrocement. So it consists of cement, sand, mortar mix and also a layer of wire mesh. Is it? Next, what are the materials used? Mesh, then skeleton steel, then what? Cement mortar mix is the materials used in ferrocement. So cement mortar mix consists of cement, sand, okay, and water. So cement, whether OPC or PPC, can be used. Sand, well graded natural river sand with particle size less than 4.75 mm and having fineness modulus between 2.5 to 3. Then cement sand mix in the ratio 1 is to 1.5 to 1 is to 3. Water cement ratio normally chosen is about 0.4 to 0.45 or 0.35 to 0.55. Then 5% of plasticizers and other admixtures can also be used. Now skeleton steel. This is used for making framework of structural component upon which layers of wire mesh reinforcements are laid. Steel rods are provided in both longitudinal as well as in the transverse directions, and in general mild steel rods or galvanized iron wires of diameter varying from 2 to 6 mm are used. Sometimes for structure purposes HYSD bars are also used. Okay, so next part we can continue in the next class.